Yeah. Okay. So uh, first we'll be using Boolean operation that we will be trying. If the method we are going to try now, that is without Boolean operation, can we do this model? Can we make this whole? That we are going to try. If it is not working, we will have to use the Boolean operation only. So this is a nice method actually. I just figured out. Uh, I will. Okay, we are going to see that. I'm pressing shift in the keyboard and then left mouse button, click in the outliner group share, we have named it. So now it's hidden, and now I'll go to add and image background. This maybe your previous tutor maybe you would have taught, I think. Yeah, you can put something in the background, and then based on the silhouette outline, we can just create the model. So yeah, sorry. So now I'm going to take the picture, that image where I saved it. This is so. This is the image. Uh, okay, it's already there, I think. Yeah, it's already there. Okay, we don't need this. So, now I just loaded the image, and then I'm going to its properties, that is its attributes. I'm going the object data properties. There I'm decreasing the opacity to zero point 0.1. Okay, right. Now I will I'm going to draw a Bezier spline on this, and I'm going there, add curve Bezier. Okay. Now, if I see this Bezier, no, it is already a spline. That is, it is a segment which has two vertices. But in for this design, I prefer drawing a drawing curve. Freehand. So freehand curve. So what I'm going to do is, I'm first what I have to do is, we are in object mode. I'll go to edit mode and then press A in the keyboard, so that it will get selected. All the vertices will get selected. Delete, because we don't need this, but still that entity is there. If you see in the outliner, that Bezier curve entity is there as a object properties and object data properties we call. Now object data properties disappeared, but object properties is still there. So with that, we can anyway go to edit mode and have a we can see this option of freehand curve. So I'm just choosing that freehand curve, going back to the front view, and I'm going to draw on this. So when I'm drawing, it may bit not draw correctly, because we have to use this vacuum pad. It will be nice, but we don't have it, so we are using the mouse only. Once after drawing it, we can adjust it. Yeah. So I'm just drawing on the outline of this design. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now we are in edit mode. We can adjust it. When I just brought the another end, I started from here drawing. I started from here drawing the curve. From here I went, and all the way here and all I went. Then finally came here. When I just came near the starting vertex and stopped drawing, and it got merged. automatically. I don't have to merge those points, starting and ending point. It will merge automatically. So that's one advantage. Now I'm just moving, I'm adjusting them. Okay. So whenever we are in this edit mode for a curve, we have to go to this transform pivot and switch on this bounding box center. Only then this side tangent points will be shown this vector handle. If I just switch back to individual origins, even if I select, and when the even if the move handle is on in the toolbox, the vector handle will not shown, will not be shown on the tangent handle vertex. Instead it will show on the center only. So what we have to do, we have to uh, switch to bounding box center in the transform pivot point menu whenever we are adjusting the tangent handle. So if I want, I feel here between this vertex and this vertex, I want to add one more vertex. So what I'm doing, I'm selecting this one vertex and then shift, press shift hold in the keyboard, and then selecting the next vertex and right click. I'll press on this subdivide. It will add one more vertex in between the starting and ending vertices we selected. Okay, fine. Here we should make sure that it is not intersecting. So let it have some distance. We can see clearly that it is having a distance in between. Okay, fine. This line drawing option is there in Photoshop software also. It's a very nice tool. Yeah, yeah. Like for temples will be having, the pillar of the temples will be having so many designs, no, like flowers, plants, all the they used to draw with that tool only. So same thing, same tool they have given in the 3D software also. In Maya also we have it. Yeah, yeah. So whenever we see vertices like this, no, tangent handle is broken. It should be like that only here. So it has automatically sensed it whenever when I'm drawing and taking a drastic turn, no, while using the freehand curve tool. I'm just when I'm drawing it and taking suddenly a drastic turn, that is, it should have a sharp edges. So the tool or the blender software is sensing it. Okay, he wants, this user wants to have a sharp end there. So here I will break the handle, tangent handle, like that. It itself it is doing it. So but when we come, we can change it. by how selecting the vertex, pressing V in the keyboard, and then you will see all the handle types. That is, generally we move the handle like this and all, but this option also we can use. For that, what we have to do is select the vertex, whichever vertex handles we are going to modify. That vertex we should select and then press V in the keyboard. It will show a menu. In that menu I am using automatic. So what happens, immediately the handles will get joined, and they will align by itself. Now we can reduce the size of the handle and to our desire. Now I'm placing it like this. So this portion I have finished. I'll continue with the next vertex. This I feel okay, fine. Some places by itself, no, we have, while drawing only we made it nicely, but some places we will have to adjust. It may take some time, but it's worth it. Once we do the designing, no, once we make it 3D, three dimension, it will look nice. Perfect. Yeah. You just when you are doing it, no, you just try to draw this curve. But if you are if it is taking time, then I will send this only this curve only to you through yeah, yeah, so that anyway when you are practicing, no, you can again draw the curve and just practice it, because this should not take much time. So it's not a like it's not only, it's a kind of manual work. We are not going to use different tools and make it. Only one tool we are going to make it. So only thing, you need some time to do that. So otherwise you can understand this tool and do it by yourself. So later also you can do it. Okay. Here also we should do it. Sorry. So okay, here also we have to do. Okay, so I'll just hide the image. You can see the curve now clearly. So this is what we want to do. Um, now you can also do. I'll just introduce you to that curve. Once you understand the nature of that curve, no, while drawing you will understand. Then you can do it by yourself while practicing. For now, I'll just send you, but you can just start doing it and see how it behaves. At the time, if you get any doubt, you can ask me. So, yeah, yeah. So, send. Yeah, I'll WhatsApp you the picture first. You open the folder and go to that. Yeah, I've sent you, and you can just do it. By the time I will open this another blender and save this curve as a separate file and send you in mail. Yeah, so you can just open the image. You can find out, save the image and open. Uh-huh, okay, okay. So you know where to open. In object mode you have to go to the add, right, yeah. Okay. No, add, go to add. Yeah, and then use image background. Yes, yeah. So you can load this in the uh, okay. For now you can be in this new blender file only, but we are going to work on the same chair, no? So yeah, you can load that scene file, and you can hide that chair, and then yeah. So we have made it as a parent child group. Now just if you hide the parent, you have to press shift in the keyboard and then press the same button. uh, Press hold shift in the keyboard and then press the eye icon in the outliner. All will get hidden. No, you press shift in the press hold shift in the keyboard and go to this outliner, and no, go to, that is, press shift in the keyboard. Don't press hold it. Press hold the shift in the keyboard. Go to this group chair. Eye icon is there, no, visibility icon. Now you press it. Yeah, yeah. So whatever you apply to the parent, no, child will also follow it, right? Now you can no, escape this, escape this. Go to add, image background. Yeah, yeah. So wherever you save this image file, no, from there you take. Okay, so go to front view, no, press 1 in the keyboard, numerical pad, and press dot in the keyboard. Okay, a little zoom in. Just see whether it is in the world origin or not, no. Worlds, just go back, and we should, okay, it is not in the world origin. No, no, I don't know how. It should not be moved, no. Okay, so you go to front view. You have to move it to the world origin. You go to front view and then move it by yourself. Yeah, 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 yeah. Little more, little more. Yeah, yeah, pass. Now press frame selection. right. Now in the middle we have three designs here. Middle one we are going to take a curve print of it. huh? So yeah, little more zoom inside, yeah, yeah, and place it in the view. From, you are by mistake what you are doing is you are pressing the middle mouse button, so it is becoming user perspective. So just be careful in while doing. Right now, go to add and then curve bezier. Now you can see the curve has been added in the outliner, you can see that. Right now, if you go to top view, no, you will see the curve in the viewport also. Yeah, viewport in the, but we don't want this curve, but we want the curves, that entities to be present in the outliner, so that we will be able to see that freehand draw uh, curve tool in the toolbox. Now you just deselect the press alt A in the keyboard. Yeah, now you go to edit mode. Okay, there is, you have, you didn't select, no, okay. Only when the curve is present in the viewport, right, you will see those curves own tool sets in the toolbox. Otherwise we won't see these particular tools in the toolbox. So yeah, so now press A in the keyboard and delete it. We don't need this curve. We are going to make a new curve using the freehand tool. No, no, escape, escape. No. Go to toolbox. In that, below this transformations icons, you are seeing one. That is the tool. Yeah, that is. Yeah. Now, wait, wait, wait. Careful. Go to front view. Yeah. So on this, you are going to draw slowly. Huh? Uh, no, 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 middle one you are going to draw. Middle design, no? Yeah, middle, zoom in, bus, enough. Now, there is a left side, there is a ball or circle shape is there, no? In the design. Yeah, just take your curve leftwards slowly, leftwards. That one. From there you start. Yeah, slowly you start. It's a freehand tool. Yeah, like that one. Yes, yes. Up, go up. Only outline. Yeah, yeah. Then go up. Mm, yes. Yeah. There, go down. Go down. Yeah. It's like holding the breath for a long time till we finish. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, that's all. So you have drawn it. Just press enter in the keyboard. Yeah, yeah. Now go back to object mode. Yeah, yeah. So it is done. Huh? Okay, this is no, no, no. This is annotation tool, I think. No, no, no. Okay, you go. You select the curve. Select the curve. Select the, no, no, another first one. Bezier curve. Bezier curve. Bezier. In the outliner you can select. Outliner, no. Outliner you can select. Yeah. Right. Now go to edit mode. Edit. Now do the same thing. That is. Um, yeah, yeah, below this tool, no, one measure tool is there, you can see this like 90 degrees kind of, below that one tool is there, that's the one. No, no, go up little, go up. That is, come to the toolbox, come to the toolbox. The annotation tool is on. Below that measure is there. Below that icon. Below that icon. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, yeah, draw curve. Yeah, that's the one we should use. Okay. Before the curve was not in selection, it seems. Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's yeah. Now, um, now this image is too bright. So go to object mode and select the image that is empty in the outliner, and we have to that is in the no in the outliner, right side outliner, empty. No, yeah, yeah. Now just raise the properties panel little higher. Below properties panel. Yeah, yeah. Go to um, like data properties. Last one icon is there. Checker icon. Just above that data properties icon is there. Yeah, that one. Yes. Opacity switch on. Yeah. Point one. Yes. So now it has become dim, so that now no you can work on the curve, like adjusting the curve. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Like if you want to rub this, no, if you want to rub the annotation, you just go to annotation tool, same tool below the transformations icon in the toolbox. You just press on that tool. Yeah, yeah, remove is there, eraser. Yeah, yeah. They can give a different tool, no, just for erasing. It's taking long time. They can give a better tool, like this. It's there, radius is there, but still, as an like how we are deleting the curve at one shot, like that it should be. But eraser they are giving. Okay, right. Okay, fine. Now we have to select the bezier curve. In the outliner only you can select. Yeah, yeah. Right. Now go to edit mode. Yeah. Now you can, for your convenience, no, press control space in the keyboard. Yeah. Now little zoom inside, and you can start adjusting. While adjusting, no, you know that you are already in the freehand curve tool. So you have to come out of the tool, whatever you were in. So now go to the move hand tool. Switch on, highlight the move hand tool in the toolbox. Left side, left side. No, left side toolbox is move handle, rotate handle, all that. Left side. Left side, left side. Yeah, this one is okay. Now you can press alt a, deselect. By default it will all be selected, so we have to deselect. Now each vertex, no, we have to select and then match the outline of the design. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's, yeah, yeah, it's, but I was doing the same thing, no, so we have to do that. But I suggest do select only one vertex. Make sure that you have selected only one vertex and then do it. Yeah, yeah. It will not be so perfect, okay, because when you are practicing you can do it. So for now, just you will come to know how to adjust it, all that, just for the knowledge you are doing. Now you are feeling one more vertex can be added, right? In the top you are adjusting. I will tell you how that. Just press Alt A, deselect, have a fresh selection. I will tell you this. Just go leftwards a little. Go leftwards. No, no, right side, right side. Inside that leftwards, leftwards. Left, right, right. Come right. That vertex you select, no. That vertex you select, and then shift select the next vertex in the same continuous curve. That is after that upper. Go up. That shift select. Yeah. Okay. Now you have selected the two vertices, right? In between, you can add one more vertex or more than one vertex. Right click. Subdivide option will be there. First one, I think. Yeah. So now you can see. Now just don't click anywhere. No, no, wait. You can see the number of cuts in the left side settings has appeared. Settings box has appeared in the. So if you increase that, we don't have to increase now, but just for your knowledge, no, you can increase it and see, and okay, this is how it behaves. Like that, you can just do it. So whenever you want to add vertices, you can do like this only. That is starting and ending, and right click, and you will see the subdivide. Just press on that. It will add one more vertex, and go to the settings. You can increase the number of cuts. So yeah. So now you have selected the tangent handles. That tangent handles, I will call it subordinate vertex. Okay, otherwise that also it's looking like a points vertex only. So I'll call it points or subordinate vertex something. So those subordinate vertex, no, vertices, to move it, we have to go to transform pivot point, just next to local menu, that is in the upper local menu is there. Right side. Yeah. And next to that, uh, you have to switch on the bounding box center. Yes. Now you just select only one point in the tangent handle, that subordinate vertex. Any, it is in the handle, you are seeing one dot like point, no, only that you select. When you are doing that, no, I suggest do pix selection, not rectangular selection. Okay. Yeah. So now you are able to see the vector, that is that gizmo on the point, not on the vertex. You can yeah. Now you just go to now you go you select that tangent handle points, any one point you select. Yeah. Okay, now the handle is coming to where you are selecting, no, you just go back to the individual origins in the transform point menu, in the upper region, next to local. Yeah. Just switch on the individual origins there. Now you see the changes. The vector angle handle has shifted its position. It was on the you just one more, just do it, no, one more time. You go to transform pivot point and do it and see. Switch on the bounding box center, first one. Do you see the shift? So yeah. So for that one, there, no, if you have the vector handle on that spot itself where you want, the whichever the vertex you want to move, it will be easy for you. If the vector handle is somewhere and you want to move this vertex, the control is somewhere, no, you'll not feel comfortable. So whichever vertex or point I am going to move, there the vector handle should be. For that, we have to switch on the bounding box center in the transform pivot point. Yeah. Right now, you can just adjust it. I think you will do. You can just adjust. This side is done. That side and all. Just match the. One thing, no, if yeah, I will tell you. Sometimes you may want to rotate it. You can press. You can do that also. Instead of using the points of the tangent handles, you can rotate also. Go to rotate icon. Yeah, you can rotate. In Blender, you can rotate the vertices. That is one advantage. You have to press green color. Only green color. Or you can press white color also. White color also you can press. That you can press. Yeah, like yes. Only for this one you please use white color in the rotation gizmo. For other objects rotation or light rotation or camera rotation, please don't use this white color circle. Only for this vertices we can use this. Yeah, 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 like so. Now you have to move handle. You have to use the move handle in this case. That is, select the vertex and then use the move handle to yeah, yeah, move gizmo. Ah, ah, okay, okay, right, right, okay, okay, okay. They switch off. No, at that time they switch off the internet. Okay, 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 okay. So now you press. It is one handle is, if you see, no, it's longer. Another handle is too short. So at that time, what you have to press, no, V in the keyboard. Press V in the keyboard. No, you will see all the types of handles. It's like a template. You need not every time adjust the handle to this one, this size, that size, and all. It is giving, it is showing you the template that if you press the automatic, you will come to know. Just press the automatic. See, it is equalizing the next degree of curve. It is sensing and then adjusting the handle based on that continuity of the curve. Yeah, yeah. So now you can rotate it. White color only. Yeah, yeah. So now it's easy. Not this much. Little if you rotate. Yeah. If you don't want the vertex, no, some vertex may be extra. If you feel like that, you can delete it also. No, not in this case. I'm just saying, if you don't want any vertex, if it is too much, you can delete it also. Right. So this vertex you have to rotate. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, yes. Fine, fine. Okay. Now, since you are saying no, this thunderbolt, and all, so I will send the. Now you have understood what tools we have to use. No, bounding box center in the transform pivot point while modifying, changing the tangent handle. Yeah, and then press V in the keyboard to see the templates of the handle types. Automatic, many other, like, yeah. So now what you have switched on is, I think, vector or something you switched on, no, so it is like sharp bend, like that you can try. Yeah, free is like this. Free means what it will do is it will break the handle so that one side of the vertex can be one shape, another side of the vertex can differ from the other side, like that you can do. Yeah, yeah, like this you can rotate. You can also scale. Just try press yes in the keyboard and scale, no. Yeah, see, like that. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So these options, no, for curve they have given. It's nice. There is for object what and all transformations we are generally using. More than that they have given, like template, all that they have given, right? So yeah, yeah. So I will save the curve file separately and send you. Right. Next. Yeah, I have sent the curve file separately. You can download it from your email, and you can import it into your Blender scene. It is taking time. Okay. Ah, yeah, it is. Oh no, not it. Okay, okay. Not it received. Okay. Okay, I will send it in WhatsApp. Maybe from there. Okay. Yeah, in WhatsApp I have sent you. Yeah, okay. That is made by yourself, no? Made by you. Okay. Next to that, I have. I'm talking about the curve file. Yeah, not that. Yeah, it's okay. So, so that we need not consume time, no? Our class time. Into Blender, no? I will tell you. Go to Blender. Uh, there, you are seeing file. Go to file, file menu. Yeah, there. Uh, Not import. Yeah, generally we use import in other softwares, but here we don't have to do that. Just choose append. We just above that append is there. Oh, you have to be in object mode first. I think you are in edit mode. So go to object mode, then go to file, append. Yeah, now you choose a curve file wherever you have saved it. From there you can choose it. Yeah, yeah. Yes. Yeah. Okay. So the previous you did know that you can delete. I think just control space. Yeah. Yeah. So which one you did? We have to see that. Okay, it has not yet loaded. I think. Okay. So this. Yeah. Yeah. That is what you do. You go to outliner. No. Just change the name of this BCR curve to like old or something. Old. Yeah. Right. Now go to file, append. Uh, Now, yeah, go to that one. Yeah. Now it will ask where to save this. This is the nature of Blender. See, it is asking here itself. Instead of importing it into directly into the viewport, it is asking where in the Blender file structure it should be saved. So generally where we save it inside the object folder only. So choose the object folder. Yeah, yeah. Then just append, no? Append, press on append. Yeah. Now it is there. No. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay, go again, no? Go again. Yeah. Just try this link file. Link, yeah. Choose the same curve, no? Yeah, now this time you no, it is showing some error, no? Okay, you go to append only, append. No, append only you go. Append. Yeah, last one. Now you choose curve folder. Yeah, Now it is asking something. Bezier curve. Okay, you type one some name, no? Types. Yeah, yeah, it has come. It has come. Okay, okay. No, first, this one you are deleting it. All right, right. Okay, okay. So the first one, what you have is one. Okay. Photos you can delete. Yes. Yeah. Okay, right. So that first curve you can select and name it as new curve or something. New, you can name it in the outliner. Yeah, yeah. Okay, right. Now I will share my screen. Yeah, right. Now we are going to see some interesting options in Blender. We can sorry, we have uh, two or three different types of curves. One is Bezier, another is Polycurve, another is also there. We don't use it much, but here we can convert this Bezier curve to Polycurve and then come back to again Bezier curve also. And another option we have in Blender is we can convert this curve to mesh also. Like you are able to see in the outliner this curve, the list is there. In the list it is showing the Bezier curve. In my screen you can see, and the icon is curve icon. It's not like if I take a mesh, no, you see I'm going to add mesh and cube. You see the cube's icon here in the outliner is downward pointing triangle. You can see, no, downward pointing where my cursor is. So above that, this Bezier curve is having a curve icon. Now I'm deleting this cube. I'm selecting the Bezier curve. I'm going to in object mode, going to object menu, and then convert from curve to mesh. I'm converting, so I'm pressing on mesh. Now you see I'll go to edit mode. It is full of points and no tangent handles. Yeah. So this is where it means what? Now it is an object. It is no more a curve. Before, when it was a curve, no, we cannot press fill, or we cannot call them edges, vertex, faces, and all. Now it has become a, since it has become a mesh, we can fill the space, face. So like that we can do. It is a mesh. It is an object now. Now you see what I'm doing. I'm pressing. I'm going to edit mode and all, and press F. See, it has become a mesh. Yeah. So this is one advantage. Now even I will go to face mode. I mean, I have selected all. There is only one face is there, which I pressed. When I pressed F, it became a face. Now I can extrude this also. We are not going to do this extrusion, use this extrusion here, but I just want to show you that we can convert the Bezier curve just now we drawn to a mesh and then make it a face and extrude it. Uh, I'm going to extrude it, pressing Alt E in the keyboard and choosing the extrude faces. I'm extruding it. See, we can extrude it. Yeah, yeah. So this is a very powerful option. And switch off the X-ray. Like this also we can do. We can keep this design also in that, where inside the chair. No, we can keep it in that provision. We can keep. But I want to try something new. I will tell you. So now I have to go back to before extrusion only. So I have done, yeah, like this only I want. So I'm I'm deselecting by pressing alt A, right? Yeah, alt A I'm pressing. Right. Now we have this option of circular selection. See, in you can see where my cursor is. I'm just pressing on the tweak icon. That is default cursor icon, and when I'm pressing on it, it is showing four options. One is tweak, select box, select circle, all that. So I'm now choosing the select circle, and it is showing the circle selection lasso or dotted lines it is showing. Now see how easily I'm able to select. So like this I can select, see. Yeah. So like this, after selecting, no, what I will do, I am pressing alt E in the keyboard, and then extrude edges, and immediately press escape in the keyboard and just move it upwards. It is becoming like this. Okay, now I will scale it down to flat line. We are using this special manipulation. I'm just pressing the handle and pressing hold the left mouse button, and I'm not leaving the left mouse button. At the same time, I'm typing 0 in the numerical pad. It is becoming flat. uh, yeah. Now I'm going to the going to select the sides also. I will select the sides like this. Okay, fine. Okay, this side also I will select. Right now, uh, yeah, now press alt E, and again choose the same extrude edges. That is first option. Okay, uh, and then it comes like this. So what we have to do is uh, escape, and then scale it like this. See, like this we can scale it. Yeah. Now uh, we have to make this also flat. So for that I'll go to transform pivot, yeah, individual origins, and then uh, using the special manipulation I'll make it flat. So like this, and then we have to extrude this edge also. Yeah. So I'll just extrude this edge. Now we have to merge these points. I'll go to transparency, and then press alt A first. That is this side and all selected. First at a time I should deal with only one side. So I'll press alt A and deselect everything, and have a fresh selection of these points, these 2 points. I'm pressing, I have to change it to rectangular selection. I've selected these 2 points alone, and press M in the keyboard, and by distance I'm merging, and just increasing. Yeah, it got merged. Now I'm just leveling it, and this also I'm leveling. Okay, by distance. Okay, we have to move a little closer, and then press apply merge by distance. Now it has merged. Now same thing for the other side. Whatever we did, we are doing here. Okay, leveling we did. Now you see I have got the hole in the middle, and the extrusion face on the outer side. Before, what we did is inside we filled the face, but in our case I want the hole to be in the chair in this design. So what we have done is we are extruding the outer part of the curve, not the inner part, so that you see how it will look. I am pressing all and then uh, alt A and then extrude it. So like this it will become. It will be like that is only in the middle, no, the there is the hole will be there. So like this also we can do actually. So so whichever we want the design to be uh, filled with the face also we can do, that way also we can do. So now we can go back to the curve only. That is what I'm showing is I'm trying to show you these many ways we have uh, to make a whole, to make a design in Blender. Yeah, yeah. I'm doing it to the curve level only. Okay, so it won't change. I delete it. I will also append and bring. So now, having drawn this curve, I am scaling it and taking it up there and then placing it here. I'll go to top view and then place it here and show X-ray mode. Okay, fine. This mesh, what I did on that day, we can hide it. We don't need it. So I'll go to that specific object and hide it. Okay. Now we are placing this curve like this. Um, that is smaller, and then keep it like this. Okay, this should be okay. I feel fine. Right. Like this we should keep. Fine. Uh, and go to top. It should be in the middle. Okay. Right. Little I can scale it more. Okay. Fine. Putting it this side also. So I'm scaling it down a little. Okay. Duplicating it. Yeah. So I have copied this curve like this. Now um, I'm going to rotate this from top view so that we can fit this inside this curvature. So yeah, yeah. So below this, no, this beam will come. See, I'm doing it. I'll go to edit mode, selecting that cube. I'll go to edit mode, switch on the vertex, and then keep it like this. And below also I'll choose and then bring it down. Okay, fine. So these designs we are going to extrude and keep it in the middle. That's all. So we have made it easy. Yeah, yeah. Only thing I have to rotate these guys. For that I have to go to wireframe mode Pakka. Now I'll rotate them in the top. In the top I'm rotating. I'll use move handle also. Like this. Okay, fine. And then this middle one, let it be like this only. Okay, fine. Now this left side, rotate it. Right. Yeah. So you are able to see, no, see I have aligned it to the curvature of the, from the top we are able to see the curvature. So to that curvature I have aligned it to match it. So this object, you know how you we did, you know, this, that is, I just duplicated this object and then deleted the side faces. Like this I deleted. You can see, you know, which one I selected. These sides, two set of faces on the either side, that I selected and deleted it. So I got the small one, then I placed it. So we have to duplicate this and then keep it here, and then delete those side faces on the either side, and then we have to place it there. Like that we have to do. And then whatever design we have done with the curve, that curve we have to place it on the top of this beam, this wooden piece. And then next is we have to convert it to mesh and extrude it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. So till this level, no, you can do. Yeah, yeah. That is closing time, huh? Closing time. Okay, okay. Oh, oh, okay. So if it is so next when we can have. Okay, 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 okay. Okay. So is it okay if it is 10 o'clock means like for me it should be like 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like 6 o'clock, no, for me 5:30 or 6. Okay, 5:30 is okay for me, no problem. Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sure, sure. Uh-huh. No, little you just this which, to how much ever extent possible, no, we can just try like this object, that is I think still my screen is in sharing. So this object, no, you can, from this I duplicated, from this one I duplicated, and then deleted the side set of faces. Just that one we can do. Yeah, 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 yeah. Now you have to unhide the group chair, no, go to that is press shift in the keyboard and then unhide. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I think you press hold shift. It has come. Yeah, yeah, it is bigger, no, so it is there. Now take this. Yeah, 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 very good, very good. Now just see it from the top, no, go to top view, top orthographic view. Careful, careful. Yeah, yeah. Careful. Go to, always do these modelings. No, I suggest to in orthographic views only, like front view, top view, like that. You go. Yeah. Yeah. Press dot in the keyboard. Dot. Yeah, yeah. And now we have to scale it smaller, 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 because a small wooden piece, no, is going to come below it. Yeah. Now you raise it little, move it upwards. Yeah, yeah. It should get inserted into that upper piece of wood. Little more, little more, little more. Yeah, yeah. So that no wood stays intact with in the contact. so that it won't fall, that piece won't fall for that one. Now we have to place this in the middle from the top view. Go to top orthographic view. 7 I think 7. Yeah, yeah. Now choose wireframe mode. You can press, yeah, enough, you have done it. That is the previous one is correct. Switch on the experiment so that we can see the curve. Now, no, orthograph. Okay, okay, yeah. Move it. Move. This is correct actually. This user perspective is nice only. Move it backwards. It's already in the back. Uh-huh. Slowly you turn again. What you did? Move it forward. I think you have to move it little forward. Like this you can. Little, no, no, not much, not much. Enough. Yeah. Right. Now go to front orthographic view. Zoom in. Yeah. Little bring it down. No, little. Yeah. Enough. Now we have to keep it on either sides. Shift D. Yeah. Escape. And X axis. Yeah. Okay, so it can be even more bigger. Both you select and then scale them. Both you select. Shift is. Uh, Press yes. Yeah. I think escape. No escape. Sorry, escape. Uh, Go to transform pivot point menu in the middle, in the upper region middle. Yeah, that's one. Yeah, in that choose origin, individual origins, individual. Yeah. Now you scale it. Now you scale it. Yes, press yes. Yeah, now it will scale. Yeah. Little. Yeah, enough. This is enough. Yeah. Very nice. Now this one we can mirror it. We can do symmetry. So left one you can select. No, left one. Okay, first we have to rotate it from the top. No, go to top orthographic. Yeah, top orthography is press 7 in the keyboard. Uh, Now you rotate it. Yeah, little more. Yeah, enough. No. Oh, no. Yeah, correct. Yeah. No, this one need not be rotated. This one is straight only. Only thing, this guy whom you rotate, enough. Little downwards you move, no, using the green color handle. Uh, Little more downwards. Little more downwards. There is you can come. No. Go to 7 only. Go press 7 in the keyboard. That is what I'm saying is the what you are saying is no, undo. Yeah. Now bring it downwards means forward. You bring it forward. You select the yeah. Select the green handle and forward. Yeah. Oh, bus enough. Yeah. That is, if you just select the top polygon, no, you will understand what I'm saying. This another that polygon, bigger, another little outside you go. That no, go to be in the top view only. This outside face is there. Sorry, above this, yeah, the topmost one you have to select. Yeah. No. It's a horizontal only. I'm saying. Okay. Go to front. I will tell you. Go to front view. The top one you select. No, top one. Yeah. Go to top view now. Top view. 7. Press 7 in the keyboard. So inside this frame, no, we have to set that curvature. That curves what we. Yeah. That's all. So that is no. It's what it was. It is correct only. Yeah. Now this is a correct position, but I just want you to understand that there Only there we are trying to place it. Now you can apply just Control A, apply all transforms. Yeah, yeah. Now Shift D, that is duplicate, escape. Now go to object menu. Yeah, yeah. Mirror X global. Yeah, yeah. That's all. That's all. Now go to front view. No. Yeah, yeah. Now we have to adjust this middle one. It is not touching. They should be actually little amalgamated. They should go inside. It can intersect actually. Just go to front view. Yeah. Now uh, this middle one you select, and then middle design. Go to transform panel. No, transform panel right side, or press N in the keyboard. N. That is, you have to keep the cursor in the 3D viewport and then do it. Yeah, yeah. Now, type 0, absolutely 0 in the X, location X. Yeah. Now it has set, right? Now, select all the three designs and scale them carefully, carefully. Press yes in the key. Escape, escape. It's not scaling. Okay, okay, because the set origin is not there. Okay, so except for the middle one, no, just deselect the middle one. This one you select, and then the other side also you select. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now uh, go to object or set origin, and then origin to geometry second. Yeah, yeah. Now it has come to its own origin. You can. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Nice. Sorry, sorry. Undo, undo. That is along with the this middle one also you have to scale. That is the only thing you have to do. Sorry. Yeah. Now is scale. Little only. Enough, enough, enough. Bus. So this is where we are trying. No, it can actually intersect. Undo. One more undo. Undo. It can actually intersect. Go inside. Not little only, little lesser. Enough, enough, enough. Yeah. So that no, it's like they are able to, because they are sticking to, they are very close to each other, they won't fall. Like that image we are trying to do. Now the top wooden piece, no, we have to select top wooden piece. That one only. Go to front view only. Go to front view. Yeah, yeah. Now shift D. Yeah, escape, escape. Bring it down using the blue color handle. Yeah, yeah, bring it down. That is just below the designs. Yeah, yeah, there we are just filling it, so that those designs are, no, they are standing on that wooden beam. That's all. Like that. So that whatever you duplicated, just select that only. We have to select the edge faces, and then delete them, because it is coming outside, no. Yeah, go to face mode, switch on third one. Yeah, yeah. That side, that entire set of faces we have to. You can easily do it in the front view actually. Just try, no, go to front view and draw. No, no, no. In this case, you can draw a rectangle. Yeah, yeah. Little more. No, no. Little more. You have to draw size bigger, the size of the. No, no. Only the that size. Yes. Same here also. Yes, yes. Delete the third option. Yeah, yeah. So now it is inside the frame. Yeah, yeah, yes, yes. Yeah, yeah. Now, little, I think you have to scale it down in the from the top. No, you are seeing, no, it is protruding. Just go to shade mode and just see. No, you'll understand that. Press Z in the keyboard. You can press Z also. Yeah, yeah. Now just zoom in. Yeah, go close. You are seeing, no, this object is little. It is coming out. The recent one you have duplicated, no. it is coming outside the, it should fit inside the vertical columns, no, yeah, yeah. So what we have to do is, I will tell you, if you select like this, no, we won't know whether the unwanted face is also getting selected or not. So go to top view and select, tell you one easy thing. Having selected that object, go to edit mode, only edit mode, yeah, and then choose circular selection. Go to the toolbox, first icon, choose circular, select circle, yeah. Now switch on the x-ray mode. Yes, yes. Now to have a fresh selection, alt a, deselect everything. Yeah, yeah. Now only the back side, no, you try to select, no, back side faces. No, no, these are like, yeah, yeah. That is the faces which we are not able to see from the top. These are like we are able to see. Yeah, the outline, no, outline of those. That only that outline. This is front outline, back outline. Same thing you have to select. Just now you selected the front outline, back outline. That is backside faces you have to select, that's all. Backside faces. Okay, that is okay, you go to perspective, go to perspective. Yeah, this is what you are seeing is backside faces, right? Yeah, yeah, yeah. So now you have to switch off the x-ray, since you are going to do it in the user perspective. Switch off the, now you select only the backside faces. Yeah, yeah. Just drag it. It will select. You don't have to. That's all. So this is easy way of selection. Now you go to top view. We have to move it. Yeah, yeah. Now switch on the X-ray mode. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now move handle in the toolbox. Yes. Now bring it down. That is, bring it forward. Yeah, yeah. Yes. Inside, inside. Even more. Undo. Ah. Inside, inside. Yes, yes. Even more. Yeah, bus. Enough. Now the same thing you have to do for the front faces also. So you have to switch off the front. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Do the same. Yes, yes. So this selection, no, like this. This is the advantage of this circular selection. While, yeah, 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 very easy to select the vertices, edges, and all. Yes, yes. Super. Very good. Very good. Now, so having done this, uh, go back to object mode. No, we are seeing some collisions like, so we have to make it short. The height is too much, I feel. So go to, yeah, scale it down in the height. Height should be scaled. No, 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 no. Go to scale icon, Z axis. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. No, not this much. That is, yeah, little more down. Yeah. Scale it down. Scale it. Now you keep it upwards. Select move handle and little. That is, those designs are sitting on this wooden piece. That's all. That image we are trying to do. Yeah, yeah, enough. Yeah. Now we just have to do only one thing. Select these curves, no, these designs we have done. Designs, curve designs. Middle one you select, middle one. Oh yes, yeah, correct, you see, nice it has become. Yeah. Now you just go to edit mode and see, no, go to edit mode and see they are all still bezier splines. Even in outliner you can see the icon is curve icon. It is looking like, in the your outliner you can see it's a new curve, it is written, no, near that it is showing only curve icon. Once it becomes a downward pointing triangle icon, means what, it has become a mesh. That mesh you can apply face, make it a face, extrude it, all that you can do. But now we cannot do because it is just a curve. So now we have to make it a mesh. Go back to object mode. Sorry. Now object menu, yeah, convert, down, come down, yeah, yeah, mesh, yes. Immediately you see in the outliner, no, it has become, it is showing that downward pointing triangle. In the outliner you can see it. Right side. Yeah. So whenever you are, even sometimes, people download from the blender market, or you're buying some meshes and all. Sorry, at that time you should see which are all curves and which are all empties, which are all meshes. So, seeing in the outline, you will come to know that. Yeah. Now, just press, take your cursor to the viewport and press F in the keyboard. Uh, we have to go to edit mode, and then press F. Press A, press A. Oh, no. There is context menu, no. It's Alt A. We have to deselect it. It's not happening. Okay. Press tab in the keyboard and then Alt A. Uh, Press tab again. Yeah. Now take your cursor to the viewport. Press A. Yeah. Oh god, all are selected. Go to object mode. We have to, many objects are selected. It's in. Press Alt A now. Deselect everything. Yeah. Okay. Now select only that middle curve. The which one new curve is there? No. That one. Now you slowly do. Go to edit mode. No. Edit mode. Press A. In the keep, oh no, you are, see, it is context menu. When you are keeping the cursor in the viewport, no, it will, the same keys will behave differently. Yeah. Alt A, yeah. You do it slowly, no, just select new curve in the outliner. Yeah, okay, fine. Now come to, press tab in the edit mode. Yeah. Now you don't move the cursor anywhere, just press A. Yeah, now press F. Yeah, that's all. Now it is in face mode, right? It is in. No. Why you have to select the other object? I don't have to. For that. No. First, this one, if I show completely, no, you can do it by yourself. Other, for other curves also. Now we have to select the face also. It's not selected. Press A in the keyboard for. No. Bring. No. Careful. Okay. It's a context menu, no? So everything is getting selected. Okay. Now go to edit mode. Yeah, press A. Now just a little from the, in the user one perspective only, little from the top you try to see, no? Little from, enough. Now press Alt E. First option. Yeah. Escape. Escape. We will move it by manually. Now you press dot in the keyboard. Okay, that is frame selection. Okay, it's in your keyboard it's showing differently. Escape you can do. Okay, you zoom in manually, no? Zoom inside little man. So we have to show the side, little side. Enough. Now you move the green color handle backwards. Yeah. Little more, little more. Yeah, enough. Yeah. So this one we have done. If you want to do the same thing for these curves, no, you will understand. You will remember that process. Otherwise, actually, you can duplicate this and rotate this. All that you can do. But for you to remember the process, no, curve to mesh, and then pressing F and making it a face and extrude, all that process you can remember. So if you do the same thing for the other curves also, it'll be nice, right? Yeah. Now go to edit mode. Yeah, press, okay. We have to first make it mesh, no. Go to object mode only. Object mode. uh, Go to object menu, convert. mesh. Yeah. Press tab. Yeah. Press A. F. Yeah. Now Alt E and then first option. Yeah. Escape. Yeah. Now you can move it manually. Yeah, yeah. It's your wish. The design is your wish. How much ever thickness you want it to be, no, that you can choose. Yeah, yeah. Even for this one, if you want to reduce, no, the middle one, if you want to reduce, uh, I that day I told you one tool, right? That is, yeah. When you are selecting, no, make sure that unwanted vertices or faces are not selected. Huh? When you are selecting any, see, it is something it, now, wait. I will tell you, you are trying to shift the selection from this object to another object, right? So for that, what you have to do, you have to go back to object mode and then select this one and then go back again to edit mode. But still, instead of that, you go to edit mode only. Now itself, go to edit mode. uh, Press, take your cursor to the middle object. Press alt q. You see, this has become activated. So now you are in face mode, no, select this face. Now you go to side view and then, no, that, no, that, undo you do, you have, see it has become cross. So careful. Now use the y, one undo. Yeah. Now press, frame selection is not working, in your, just try that, no, frame selection, if you can. Okay, it's not working. That is dot. If you, when you press dot in the keyboard, no, it will select the frame. Yeah, this is what. Now you slowly do. You just turn the camera. Enough. Slowly. Yeah. Enough. Right. Now, little move forward. No, this one, green color. Yeah. Enough. So now press Alt A. This backside face you have to select now, because it has, they have to come inside little, I feel a bit, it has to come. There is backside face, backside of this design, that face. Yeah, little, get it inside, inside the frame. Yeah, enough. Right. Now you can go to object mode and then choose the next curve. Yeah. So go to, no, we have to first convert it. For that, you have to be in object mode. Yeah, object menu, convert. First one. There is, next menu, object menu. Yeah, convert mesh. Yes. Okay. Now go to edit mode. EA, press EA. Yeah, press, yeah. You know. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, superb. So this face you are going to select and move from. Yeah. Right. Fine. Nice. So only thing we have to do that cork part under the legs, no, for the legs, we have to do that cork part. It'll be interesting actually when we do that. It'll be nice. So once we do that cork also, we can go to the next topic, which is UV unwrapping and texturing, all that. Yeah. Maybe that we can do tomorrow, I think. No. Yeah. So now the library is going to close, or what? How it is? Okay. Oh. So okay, Rahul. So next, tomorrow is 5:30, right? Indian time, 5:30 class. Okay. Yeah. Now, actually, 10 is okay for me. It is 5. 5:30 is okay for me. Yeah, yeah. 10. 10 means what? It is uh, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, okay. We have to give some time, no? They have to switch on all that arrangement and all. Right, right. 11 o'clock I'll come. Means what? 6 o'clock. 6 or. Okay, okay. Right, right. I'll calculate and I will update you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Thank you, Rahul. Thank you for. Yeah. See you. Yeah.